Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and I absolutely love a good pasta dish. Something magical happens when basil and garlic come together. So today I'm pulling out all the stops to bring you the most basil-y garlic dish that I can think of, vegan pesto pasta. Let's go ahead and dive in. First things first, place a pot of water on the stove for our pasta. I like having a thicker style noodle for this dish, so I'm rocking some linguine today, and cook it per package instructions. Now let's cut a bunch of cherry tomatoes in half. Bust out a pan and heat up some olive oil on medium-high. Add the tomatoes and cook them until they're soft, about 10 minutes. Time for some pesto. We're going to start off with some fresh basil. We're going to need some more than that. That's more like it. Now bust out a food processor and add in your basil along with chickpeas, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic, and a little bit of red pepper flakes to make things interesting. Let that do its thing until you have a nice thick pesto sauce. Go ahead and add the sauce to our drained out noodles. Don't forget those tomatoes, and mix them all on the heat for around 5 minutes until it's nice and hot. And let's plate this dish. This smells absolutely delicious. Now I was worried with the small amount of basil we used that the flavor wouldn't come through, but oh believe me it does. And our chickpea base gives it a wonderful creaminess. It is so delicious. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let us know what are some of your favorite pasta dishes in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. First things first, we're going to grab a pot of water and... Oh my god, is that a pigeon?
He just has no idea what to do. What would happen if we went out there? Do you think he'd be able to figure out how to get out then?
Oh yeah. When you open the door, you'd freak out.
What if he flew into the house?
Then we would have a whole separate problem on our hands.
Nami could take him.
And Nami sure would take him.